KG5EIU. Going to show you how to use a built-in macOS command in Sequoia called netcat or NC, as you'll see, to send commands to Elecraft K4 macros or any of the programming commands over the local area network. Nothing else to load really. It's a command that's built into Sequoia, and you can open up a terminal window, right? If you go to applications under utilities folder here, there's a application called terminal. You can launch that on your Mac, and here we are in a terminal. Um, and the command we want to use to access the Elecraft K4 over the local network on port 9200 is NC, netcat or November Charlie, right? So it's NC, the IP address of your rig, and everyone knows how to do that, right? If you tap the menu button and scroll with the big dial, you can get all the way down here where your IP address is in your radio. If you don't know it off the top of your head, you could use the friendly name, but the IP address will always work. And here it is. Here's mine there: 192.168.1.230. So that's what we'll do. We'll do NC 192.168.1.230 space 9200. That's the command port. And you can see when I connect up, nothing happens. When I hit return, it looks like a dead screen. But we're connected to the Elecraft K4, and now we can send it the programming commands. What programming commands, you say? Well, if you go out here to the Elecraft website, right here, and look at the programming operating, there's a programmer's reference guide out here. D3, I think, is the latest one. And that's right here. That's this document right here. And these are the commands or macros that you can send inside the NC command from your Mac to get your radio to do different things. So we'll send a couple example commands here. IP semicolon. Semicolon is the delimiter. And there you go. There's the IP address of the Elecraft. Here's one we'll show you. There's a band control, BN. So here it is here, band number, right? They don't do it by band, they do it by band number, and it tells you here in the doc what those numbers are. So like 6 meters is band number 10. So to send that command in netcat in the NC command on your Mac, you would send BN $, and the band number, which for 6 meters is 10, this semicolon, and here on the Mac you hit return, and lo and behold, if you look at the radio here and the video, I'm now on 6 meters. So that's it. That's all easy, nothing more to install. I did another video with Telnet and was reminded about the NC command built into Mac OS, the newer versions. Now to get out of this, Control D, and that gets you back to the command prompt. Again, running Mac OS here, 15.4, the latest release as of April 14th, 2025. So that's it. It's just that easy to send commands to Elecraft K4, K4D radio on the local area network using NC on Mac OS. 7.3 from KG5EIU.